Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a good, restful weekend. And oddly enough, I think this is the first Monday we've had since the beginning of the new year. Kind of interesting. All right, so this week we're going to be focusing on the first few days on the Industrial Revolution. It was a time period in early United States history that people were making all kinds of inventions, and these inventions were helping in many different ways. Specifically, they were taking jobs that people were always having to do by hand and having to take a long time doing it by hand, and now a machine was doing it and doing it much faster. Okay, if you look at today, there's lots of things that people could do by hand, but a machine will do it faster, like making your clothes, making food, all kinds of other stuff. Okay, and so today what we're going to focus on is we are going to look at Eli Whitney and his invention called the cotton gin. Okay, back in early United States history, most people were farmers, and lots of them in the South were growing cotton. And cotton was very popular because that's what was used to make clothing and all kinds of other stuff. Okay, and so it took a long time to do everything that needed to be done with the cotton. Specifically, after the cotton was picked out in the fields, they had to take it back into these warehouses, and people had to clean the cotton by hand, pick out all the seeds, pick out all the dirt and the yucky stuff. Okay, took a very, very long time for people to do that. Eli Whitney, he invented the cotton gin, which is just a little machine that you could put the cotton through, and it would automatically pull out the seeds and clean the cotton for them, so that way people wouldn't have to do it by hand. Okay, some people said that the average person, if you were cleaning cotton by hand, you could maybe do 5 pounds or so of cotton per day, maybe 10 if you were really good. Okay, but a cotton gin, it would be able to clean up to 55 pounds per day. Okay, just one cotton gin. All right, and so this machine very much changed everything. It was allowed the United States to produce more cotton, allowed it to go to the factories, produce everything more cheaply, all kinds of stuff. Okay, now when Eli Whitney made this invention, he thought this would bring an end to slavery. He thought his invention would be a good thing, because he was like, you know what? If we have a machine that's going to clean the cotton faster, then obviously all these people who own slaves, they're not going to need the slaves anymore, because the machine's going to do all that work for them. Okay? Actually, it had the opposite effect. Now, all of a sudden, they realized that they didn't need the workers in the warehouses cleaning the cotton. Now they needed them out in the fields so they could make more cotton, because the machines could clean more and clean it faster. Okay, so it actually had the reverse effect. Okay, and that bothered Eli Whitney for a while. All right, and so what you're going to do today is, in your week 12 weekly reader, if you have it. If not, it's going to be online. Okay, I've got it in the stream, the link. You're going to read in the middle this article where it says an industrial revolution begins. And you're just going to read the first few parts. Okay, so you're going to read the beginning and the part where it talks about Eli Whitney's cotton gin. Okay, and then once you get down here to where it says war brings industrial revolution change, don't worry about that. Okay, so just those first few parts. It's going to give you a little bit more details about Eli Whitney and the cotton gin. And then, of course, you're going to answer some questions online today about that. Okay, I've also got a video for you guys to watch in the stream about the Industrial Revolution, a brain pop video, so check that out today. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, and then if you have not turned in or finished your Black History Month project, your quilt square, go ahead and make sure you do that as well as quickly as you can this week, so that way I can get those graded and we'll have them up in the hallways to decorate here at the school. Okay, so other than that, that's all you've got for Monday, and I hope you have a good day, guys, and we will see you back here tomorrow. Have a good one.